compost?
Compost is basically when you put together the biodegradable waste of your house and let them process for a while so that you get something useful from that which you can use in your household plants and everything.
Okay. The second question is, where do you discard your waste or garbage?
So there is obviously a dustbin in my house, which I'll be very honest about. They are not segregated into biodegradable, non-biodegradable, so it's all put together. Then it goes into the people who comes beside our house, and that's how I discard it.
Thank you so much, Prasanna, for taking out the time to answer the questions.
The first one is, what is compost?
Okay, so according to me, compost is something, anything we dispose and that can be reused for our daily life. And so I personally grew up knowing that, in our science book, we learned that compost is something naturally waste garbage, and we use that for the growth of the trees, and anything humus or all of those are known as compost. Brings back my childhood memories like science book.
7 kinds.
Yeah, my God.
Where do you discard your waste or garbage?
That's a good question because I'm a lazy person, okay, so I don't usually wake up early in the morning until and unless I have work to do. So it's I have seen from the very childhood that we throw our garbage in a wastebin, and a huge black packet is kept outside our home, and someone from the municipal committee will come and take that away from our home. So the sad part is that they are all going to dump it in that one particular place where it is going to be a very smelly and unhygienic place. So that is how we usually do, but I think there are better ways to do so, and I hope people should start doing that. I personally did not. I mean, that's a bad thing, but yeah, there are a lot of different ways, but that is one of the things that is done in my home.
Thank you so much. Also, it's never too late to start.
Absolutely. It's never late to start, and it is never late to, start on your own. Once you start, people will see you and you will become an inspiration to someone.
Thank you so
No
much for
problem.
taking out your time of such
Absolutely
a
not a
busy
problem.
schedule and yours. Thank you so much.
Not a problem, and looking forward to, many more.
You're a really jolly person. I really like it. Thank you so much.
Alright.
First question for you is, what do you think is compost?
কম্পোস্ট বলতে আমরা সার বুঝি, যেটা আমরা গাছেতে ব্যবহার করা যায়। মেনলি গাছেতেই ব্যবহার করা হয় গাছ তার পুষ্টির জন্যে, গাছের বৃদ্ধির জন্যে আমরা সার ব্যবহার করি।
So the second question is, where do you discard your waste or garbage?
আমরা যেগুলো কম্পোস্ট যেসব জিনিসগুলো, সেগুলো আমরা গাছের জন্য স্টোর করে রাখি, ডেইলি একটা ডাস্টবিনের মধ্যে করে রাখি, তারপরে সেগুলোকে পচিয়ে 2 দিন 3 দিন 7 দিন কিংবা কিছু কিছু আছে মাসখানেক পর পচিয়ে সেগুলো গাছে ব্যবহার করি। আর যেগুলো ডিকম্পোজ হয় না, মানে সেগুলোকে আমরা গার্বেজে দিই।
So my first question to you is, what do you think is compost?
Compost is something which describes or has something which is of decaying particles, maybe, I guess, or maybe used versions of particles.
So the second question for you, where do you discard your waste and like your garbage? What do you do?
As I remain in a PG, so I have 3 dustbins over there. So I basically give the trash to one of my mates, and she disposes the top. So that's all I want to say.
Thank you so much, Kaushika. It was a pleasure talking to you. Thank you so much for taking out the time to give this interview. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So the first question is about compost. Do you know what compost is?
Yeah, of course.
What is compost?
So compost is basically like a very rich dark material that's done by decomposing natural waste. It forms the part of a soil when we put the organic material like the waste into the soil, and naturally it gets decomposed into a topsoil material which enriches the plant.
Second question for you. Where do you discard your waste or garbage?
Generally, to be very honest, in our dustbins, all waste go into our dustbins, from plastics to metals to organic waste, which shouldn't be done practically. But yes, I've seen my mother or my father doing things like putting the, which is called cha pata, into the plant pot, and eggshells and things like that. And we try not to use much plastic. Like I personally, I have now started using a bamboo straw. So these kind of things we are trying to do, but it's a little difficult still because we don't have much avenues to support the thinking mainly. But yes, things are progressing, so we are trying to do as much as we can.
Thank you so much, Shalini, for your time. It was a pleasure talking to you. Thank you.